motherfucker. Yeah. 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 And this is man, I say I love her body. Her body is so sick. She is so fine. I wanna have a kid with her. But when I'm out of high school, you know how I do. I move fast. I'm so good at her. You love me, baby. I fuck you good. Drive you crazy. No other man do you like I can. Cause I'm black, bitch. I got that upper hand. For them fuck niggas, they can't fuck with us. And love me, girl. I never break your heart at all. It's all mine. You love me, girl. Like all the time, I'm loving when you be loving me. Trusting when you be trusting me. Living this thing like I never did before. I be fucking these bitches like the girl named Joanne. Girl, you wanna know what's happening? Freestyling all day, but you know I keep it cracking. What's happening, man? That motivation, cracking, man. I got it up, self-esteem so high. Every time I see a fine girl, I say hi. No nigga, I ain't shy. What the worst that can happen? Rejecting me? That ain't nothing. I walk my way, bitch, you go yours. I do my thing, bitch, you do yours. Gutter, don't want no other. She love me, baby. I love her mother. It's whatever. But I'm too smart. I see you in the lights and the fucking dark. And what you niggas are saying, talking out the mouth, can you please stop spraying? And that's what's up. $20, nigga, really don't give a fuck, come on. But at the same time, yeah, I do. Cause after all the shit that I've been through, it's like, damn, what I'm gonna do? Gotta make my life right. Gotta get everything in the daylight. Gotta put it out like this, my nigga. I can't hold it in. All these niggas, they be tripping on other bitches. I be like, nigga, there are plenty bitches. You'll find one, wipe her up, have a sideline, bitch. So don't give a fuck. If you fucking cheat, then it's whatever. If she fucking cheat, then it's whatever. Do your fucking thing, nigga, live your life. Don't be stuck with one bitch, with one fucking night. And you know, I'm too tough, never soft. Hell no. What the fuck you think, boy? Been raised right in the motherfucking dark and the daylight. Wow, on these niggas. Boy, I move too fast. Ghosts in my house. Boy, I kick they ass. Nigga, what is up? You can't stop these dollars every time I'm in the building. While your female wanna holler, I'm gone. Wanna beat my nigga. These niggas can't touch my feet, my nigga. I roll with the motherfucking heat, my nigga. Boom, 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 beat, my nigga. What's up with that? Nigga talk shit, nigga, bust that cat. That nigga, that, nigga, you see me, yes indeed. I do my thing, I never can stop it. And these niggas talk that shit, boom boom, blow up like a rocket. And you know just what it is, niggas can't put it together just like I did. Nigga, what is up? Make it light up in this bitch, cause it's way too dark. Give me a fucking joint and I better fucking spark. When you niggas can't fall on the court or in real life. Niggas talk shit, I will kill you when the time's right. Nigga, lyrically or physically, I don't give a fuck what you say, cause I bet your bitch is feeling me. Nigga, get up out my face. You better stay the fuck out my fucking way.